at the bottom and then the root. So I'm just going to show you how to chop it. So if you go through the root and the head, so you're going parallel with the lines, not against the lines. And then you just chop the wispy bits off, and then it's the next bit where people go wrong, and then they chop the root off. If you keep the root on, it stops all the strong flavours coming out of the onion. So, and it also keeps the onion together when you're cutting it. So once you've taken that wispy bit off, you can then peel the skin off. And if you do it that way around, then the smelly part of the onion is facing away from you and not towards your nose. I have to say, if you get organic onions or you're cutting onions from your allotment, they tend to be stronger. So sometimes this trick doesn't always work. Now what I'm doing now, I'm going about 90% of the way down with the point of my knife from the root. So I'm not going all the way across, I'm going down. Now if you're a bit wary about doing this, I'll show you another way in a minute. So once we've gone all the way down, then use the back of the blade, think of guillotine, and then I always think of chicken run, that's the only way I can describe it, and then move your veg down. Like that. So you've got a nicely chopped veg there. Now, if you're a bit nervous, what you can do, you get a fork and use the fork secure method. So you put the fork in near the root, and we do the same thing, and we're going down the lines. Like that. Now, if you really want fine onions, what you do is just put a couple of little nicks in, like this, like that, and then just do the same thing as the last onion, and just chop down, like that. You get really fine onions. So if you want your child to cut an onion, or they want to cut an onion, that is the safest way for them to do it.